Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila.
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing, so please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're going to bring a cool house in East Dallas. It's in actually Little Forest Hills neighborhood, which is walking distance to the Dallas Arboretum, walking distance to White Rock Lake, and a 5-minute drive to Lakewood Country Club. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2023. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,165 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,190,000, which is $376 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.17 acre lot, which is 7,600 square feet.
Fantastic. Thanks for sharing that information, Sheila. Guys, we want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience. Sheila and I, we can help you out, and we're also partnered with the #1 luxury broker in town. So with that being said, let's go check out this property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.